Hi there, Ads here from Herman's RV Holidays, and just recently Zoe and myself took Herman to the Caravan, Camping and Motorhome Show 2019 at the NEC. We spent the weekend there, and normally when we go to these shows we take a look at the motorhomes. However, this time we decided to take a look at the camper vans. We wanted to find out why they are so popular and what was appealing about them. I know my way around a classic VW Type 2, you know, the bay windows or the split screen campers. And I just wanted to find out what the modern equivalent was like and find out why these campers are so popular.
In this video we'll be looking at Hymer. This is the Hymer Car Free 600 at £54,390. Oh wow. A very large screen there, fly screen.
Keeps the riffraff out.
Keeps the riffraff out, yeah. So it's 4 berth, 4 travel seats, 330 kilograms and an overall height of 6 meters. Okay, so this is the dining area. We have a jacuzzi in the back. We haven't got a jacuzzi in the back. There's some storage space. Is that where the ladder is? No. There's a bit up there. And we have some storage above the eating area. You have the sink and 2 hob. Storage. Oh, what's this? Underneath here is, I'm not too sure about that. Nice deep cupboard for your cutlery. Nice little hanging wardrobe space, and then we have this. I almost have a problem with doors. There we go. So that's the toilet and a shower as well, I think. Yes. So this is a wet room with cabinet space behind the mirror. And we have a nice large double bed at the back. Nice and soft. And someone's coffee in these cabinets. At the front here we have that step, which I don't like. And then the driving area. These obviously swivel round. And the back here. Oh, a little area for custom seating. That's nice little touch. Oh, look at that, storage for for a table. Very good. Underneath here though, okay, you've got some latches here for holding down a bicycle or something. There's some cabinet space at the back there as well. Yeah, excellent. That is a Hymer Car Free 600. Now we have, based on a Mercedes, we have the Hymer B MC-T 690. Luxurious, innovative, safe and lightweight. This sounds like my cup of tea. It looks, what is it, motorhome? I thought it was a camper. The area at the back, large boot. Huge boot, in fact, get quite a few. You probably get a mobility scooter and a few bikes in there. 2 berth, 4 travel seats. I don't never understand that, but 350 and a whole overall length of 739 meters. As we come into the living area, a little Hymer badge all lit up on the foot, on the step there. Talk about pretentious, but anyways, the dining area looks like that, with the odd seat. Is that the jump seat? Stylish seating. Leather, combined mixed leather and material. Some weird shelf space up here. I don't know what you would put up there. You could move around. Roof light with a retractable blind. This is not the pull down bed. And over on the right here we have some storage space. And over here near the door, probably have the television coming out of that possibly. Wow, this is luxury. You got what looks like a granite top here for the sink. 3 gas hob oven grill. What's this? Oh, very deep drawers, cupboards. This one is a bit of a weird locker. How do we open this? Oh, there we go. Nice and deep. Not too sure about this though. Why you would need that. Okay, so this has got to be the fridge freezer. Very large, very deep. Built-in mirror. Shower area. Quite nice. Turn around, we can open the door and lock off the other area. So now we're in the bathroom, bedroom area. And there's our bathroom. Again, very posh. Let's take a look at cupboard space behind here. These straps here obviously to hold the bottles in so they don't rattle around while you're driving along. And then the bedroom, wow, well I can't walk round it, but I'm going to get to these cupboards here. So they're quite big, nice little wardrobe space. I'm having a struggle moving around, and then you're not going to be playing basketball around here, are you? Exactly the same the other side. And does this lift up? It does, I think. It's a bit heavy and it must be locked or something. Got a window, a very large window here and here. The roof light though is quite small. If you want to see the stars, that might be a problem. Oh, some space behind near the cushions there. Maybe you put your glasses or your reading book or something. Ooh, there's this step. What is it with steps? I was having problems with that just a moment ago. Right. So on the outside we have a locked cabinet. So on the outside you have some external underfloor storage space. It's quite deep. There's no exit the other side, so yeah, there's a latch up there so you can get access to it from inside. Okay, so that is the Hymer B MC-T 690.
So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. We normally vlog our travels around Britain and Europe in our motorhome. I'm going to leave some video cards for you to click on so you can go directly to some of the tours that we've done. In a few months' time we'll be doing the West Atlantic Way in Ireland, so if you don't want to miss that, please do subscribe and ring that notification bell. But before you go, don't forget to rate this video, give it a thumbs up or thumbs down if you like. If you feel that you have something to say about this video, or maybe you've actually got one of these campers, or you're intending to buy one of these campers in the near future, drop us a message in the comments section below. We'll be very interested in hearing from you. See you in the next video. Bye bye now.